Hello everyone. Today in this lecture we will discuss about array of pointers. So what do you mean by array of pointers? You know array as well as pointers. Now we will discuss array of pointers. An array that contains pointers as its elements is called array of pointers. That means every element of this array is a pointer variable that can hold address of any variable of appropriate type. Every element of array is a pointer variable. That means pointer that stores the address. That means every element of array that holds the address of another element. And the syntax of declaring an array of pointer is similar to that of declaring arrays, except that an asterisk is placed before the array name. Okay, and the syntax will be like this. As you know, data type, then the array declaration will be the array name and the size. Here goes the size within the square braces, then the semicolon. Now before the array name you have to put one asterisk symbol. So this is the syntax to declare the array of pointers. For example, to declare an array of pointers of 10 elements, similarly declare an array of pointers of 10 elements. That means suppose the data type is integer data type, asterisk symbol, array name is A having 10 elements. That means the array name A that contains 10 elements or 10 addresses of different elements. Okay, this is the general syntax of array of pointer declaration. Now we'll take another example. We'll declare integer or the array of pointer integer asterisk symbol p, and suppose the size is 3, and I am declaring the other variables like integer a, and I have assigned that is 5, comma b. In a single line I am writing b is equal to 10 and c is equal to 15 suppose. As you know, you have to assign the addresses of variables to the pointers. Here this is the array of pointers. That means there are three elements, and these three elements contains the address of these three variables. Now we need to assign the addresses of A to the first variable, address of B to the second variable in the array, and the address of third variable C to the pointer variable or array of pointer variable third element. Now that means P0, this is the first element in the array, that is the array of pointers that holds the address of first variable A. Similarly, P of 1, this is a simple example. I am assigning the addresses at the static time. So ampersand of B, that is the address of B, will be assigned to the second element in the array. This is array of pointers, and P of 2, so there are three elements, so ampersand of C. If we will draw the diagram, this will look like, so this is the array name is P, and there are three elements. Okay, now this element is P0, this is the index value 0, this is P1, this is P2. and there are three variables. Here the first variable is a, this is the second variable is b, this is the third variable c. A value is assigned as 5, b value is assigned as 10, and c value is assigned as 15. And suppose the addresses of a is 2000 here, the address of b is 3000, and the address of c is 5000. As you know, pointers that stores the address of variable. Now this is the array of pointers. These are the pointer element that holds the addresses of these variables. For this example, P0, this is P0 holds the address of A. That means address of A is 2000, P0 contains 2000. That means there is a pointer from this element to variable A. Similarly, variable address of variable B is 3000, that will be stored here, and 5000 will be here. That means P1 that points to element B, P2 points to element C. Here this P is an array of pointers, and every element of this array is a pointer to an integer type. Okay. Using this, you can also write the programs to show the array of pointers.